everybody. I'm Mike.
And I'm Stephanie.
And we're Van Life Sheldon's Travels. Sheldon, he's our little yellow belly slider turtle. He's actually hanging out in his pen, hanging out here in the hotel room today. But we actually left you guys with us going up the mountain and heading out of LA and all the congestion and all the traffic and all that. We decided we'd head up here to Bakersfield. And it's not too far from LA, but it's a smaller town, and they actually have pretty decent rates on hotels. Lee and Cindy, two of our subscribers and Patreons, when we met them at the RTR, we just left their house in Riverside about a month ago, but they actually gave us a $100 gift card and said, enjoy a night at a hotel. Well, we were looking around in LA, and hotels were $100 a night, guy.
I tell everybody the best present to give a nomad is
a hotel room.
Yes.
So I started looking around here in Bakersfield. You can get a room for $55 a night. So with the $100 gift card, we tossed in like $25-30. Ended up getting 2 rooms here at the Quality Inn for like $125. Get a room for 2 nights. They got a pool, hot tub, continental breakfast. We can take showers and do all that kind of stuff.
Facility, so we're going to take advantage of that.
So we're basically going to hang out here this evening, and we're going to bring you guys back in the morning and see what else we can get into. Wow, looks like they got a little continental breakfast here. Nothing special, but it'll work. Well, like I said, nothing super fancy, but it'll do the trick for a breakfast here this morning. Little cornflakes, eggs and sausage, and a little orange juice and coffee. Good deal.
Looks good to me.
Get the day started.
A little restaurant. Breakfast was delicious. Thank you.
Thank you for calling Quality Inn. This is how can I help you? You're welcome. You have a good day.
Kind of our plan today. We're going to de-winterize the van, reorganize, take it to a car wash because the outside got bombarded with birds the other day.
Yeah, and the inside is just a mess too.
Yeah,
so.
It's like we could still see red clay from what feels like Sedona maybe. So we're really going to give it a deep clean, and then we're going to also enjoy the hotel and relax in the pool after that. And
get a little laundry done and have a good little dinner tonight. So.
Yes, I actually did bring in all the dishes so that we could wash the dishes in here. So it should be nice, clean. Everything should be filled, stocked when we leave. So this is perfect.
Thank right outside our room here. A nice little pond. Thought about letting Sheldon swim in this, but we didn't. Very nice. Hot tub. Nice pool. Wow, the pool looks beautiful here, guys. We actually enjoyed being able to sit out here last night, hopped in the hot tub, just relaxed, and it was pretty nice, wasn't it?
Definitely.
Basically, it's not too bad. Washer and dryer. The washers are $1.50 to wash. Dryers are $1. Uses coins, or you can pay with this app for free. Thought that was pretty interesting. We didn't try it. I just used quarters, but got the laundry done, guys. Wow, Steph threw this in the oven while I threw the clothes in the washing machine. And done about the same time, guys. Excuse our mess. We took everything out of the van and rearranged it. So, well, good deal.
Yeah.
Well, guys, thanks for watching. We've enjoyed our day right here in the hotel. We're just going to hang out here and watch some TV and enjoy the night. Thanks for watching. We appreciate each and every one of you. Please like,
comment,
and subscribe.
and check us out on Facebook and Instagram.
More content on Patreon.
And as always, we'll see you in the next one.
Have a good night, guys.
Thanks for watching.
Loving this hotel.
To get your Van Life Sheldon's travel stickers, go to our PayPal. The link is in the description below. One can be yours for $5 or 2 for $8 going to the same address. And please remember to include your address with your payment. As always, thanks for traveling with us.